sorry about the mess, but the progress is doing pretty good. Units, I'm just putting the units in, putting these little catches on the side. Just put the handles in as well. So I'm just letting them dry. So I've had to go through the cabinet and then seal them in. Yeah, I've got loads of storage in here. Cut the unit out for the sink. So I've got the Smev cooker top, which is covered in sawdust at the moment. The taps in there. I've got to get all that plumbed in the next few days. But yeah, I'm on week 5, and obviously if you saw the van from the very start, I've been doing the time-lapse videos. We're getting there. You know, I can see the end. I've got the cooker in here as well, which I've just covered for now. I've bought some wet tops the other day. They cut them to size for me, which I've just got the trim to put on the edge. Beds in. The lower units at the bottom, they're in as well. I've done all the cladding on the roof. Carpeted the bits behind, so the bits like you can't really get with wood. I've carpeted it just so it takes that chill, so there's no bare metal for the cold nights. Yeah.